There's a wee smidgen behind the Dettol in the bathroom cabinet.
Shan't be a no.
You are.
What a crap plan.
I beg your pardon?
Your plan's crap, Baldy.
Hey, Rich, maybe we should use bits of the Parrot to simulate bits of our charred corpses.
No, you fucking won't.
I'm afraid you haven't got a fucking say in it, mate.
Oh, bollocks.
I know what you're thinking, Parrot. You're thinking, how many shots did I fire? Back there in Act 2, Scene 1. Well, to tell you the truth, in all the excitement of Richie forgetting most of his fucking lines, I've kind of forgotten myself. So, Parrot, do you feel lucky? Come on, make my day.
You hired sex, you big fat bastard.
That's right. But I fucking reloaded.